How to mute someone on Plex. Hi everyone, welcome back to another tutorial from Apps Academy. Today I'm going to be guiding you through how you can easily mute someone on Plex. First of all, open the Plex application on your device and log in. From the home screen of Plex, go ahead and click on your profile icon at the top right corner and then click on Friends. From your Friends tab, you will see a list of friends that you have been friends with. Your Request tab, Following, Followers, other tabs will be available at the top. To mute someone, go ahead and select a contact from any of those tabs. I'm just gonna find one from the Following tab. Click open the person's profile, and once you're in, go ahead and tap the three dots right next to their profile. Now, from the pop-up at the bottom of the screen, click on Mute in order to mute the contact. Now, click on Mute once again, and you will no longer see certain activities from this account in your activity feed, and they won't know that you've muted them. Click the mute button to confirm, and you have successfully muted a contact. You can always unmute them back again by tapping the three dots again and click on Unmute, and there you go. That is how you can easily mute or unmute someone on Plex. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel. I will see you again in the next episode. Thank you for watching.